Fuck, it's cold. Okay, here we go. Some people have asked me to do a video on black balsam. So what is black balsam? Nobody knows the answer to these questions, even we Latvians don't. It's an alcohol that is made in Latvia for a very long time, and it's something like the hard candy on your grandmother's table. Nobody eats it, nobody actually likes it, but it's always there. So black balsam really can't be explained. The only thing you can do is try it. So let's start with the color. Once you pour it in the glass, the color you're gonna see is something between used motor oil and 2 weeks old coffee. The smell that you are going to feel is something very natural and very strong. It smells like burning grass in the field next to a tire factory. Once you taste it, it also feels very natural. It has very herbal taste, something like a handful of herbal tea brewed with 1 cup of water. As an aftertaste, you're going to feel slight notes of rubber and ibuprofen, followed by an aftertaste of strong ethanol. This is a truly divine drink, because people who try it for the first time usually use expressions like, "Oh my God, Jesus Christ, and what in the name of God is this?" So once you try it, you're hooked. Next time you're going to stand in the checkout line in the supermarket with a clay bottle in your hand thinking, why the hell am I buying this? But the main point is that it comes in a really nice clay bottle that says Riga on it. So this is what it's for. It's not meant for bringing joy through taste. It's for bringing joy by looking at it.